We will be turning left at the traffic light, so I've got my car already positioned to the left and slowing down, making sure I give enough space for myself and the car in front, making sure I can see the tyres and tarmac, about half a car's length. We are turning left, so I'm going to be checking my mirrors, middle left, signalling left. I will make a video on how to make right turns at traffic lights, because these traffic lights are part of several test routes. So currently at these set of traffic lights, we are going to be turning left. The black car in front of me, he's got his signal on, he's turning his right turn. It is my right of way, so I'm making the turn. I'm braking there nice and gentle because I want to be in the left lane. You don't want to come flying around that corner. So I see this white van, I have to move slightly close to the center line, but I'm checking my mirrors on the right and I was slowing down. I wasn't sure or certain.